Today, we will continue the previous lesson about the graduation of the properties of elements and the modern periodic table. Okay? Let's start with graduation of metallic and non-metallic property and the modern periodic table. Okay? The first and periods. Okay? As you can see, this is the modern periodic table. Okay? So each period start with strong metal. Start with strong metal in group 1A. In group 1A. And then by increasing the atomic size, by increasing the atomic number, okay, the metallic property decreases gradually till reach the metalloids. Okay? And then the non-metallic property appears till reach the group 17 or group 7A, which is the strongest non-metals. Okay? Finally, period ends of inert gas or noble gases in group 0 or group 18. Okay? Okay, while in groups, and the metallic property increases gradually when go from up to down. When go from up to down. Okay? As the atomic size. So this is why. Because the atomic size increases. Okay? So the question here, why the cesium considered as one of the strongest metallic elements? Okay, why? Because the cesium has the largest atomic size and it can lose its valence electrons easily. Okay, that's clear? Okay, let's start the chemical properties of metals. Okay, the first one, reaction of metals with dilute acids. Okay, we have activity here. Okay, if you put a part of magnesium strip and test tube containing HCl or hydrochloric acid, you will note the bubbles is formed. Okay, and the hydrogen gas evolves. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, we conclude some metals such as magnesium and zinc react with dilute acids as hydrochloric acid, giving salt of acid and hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay, we can express about this reaction by this equation. Okay, we have the magnesium reacts with HCl forming MgCl2, okay, plus H2. Okay, this arrow, okay, here indicates to gas evolves, whatever, hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, okay, and so on. Okay, are you remember the equation balancing? Okay, this part of this equation called reactants, and this part after arrow here called products. Okay, so why you put number 2? Because because we have here in products we have 2 hydrogen atoms hydrogen atoms. Okay, so we put here 2 because the 2 here times in hydrogen and times in chlorine. Okay, that's clear. The second one, reaction of metals with oxygen gas. Okay, activity here. If you burn a piece of magnesium in a cylinder filled with oxygen, violet lights appears and white powder of magnesium oxide is formed. Okay, and this powder of magnesium oxide can dissolve with water, forming a solution that turns the color of violet liquid solution into blue. Okay? Here, the magnesium, okay, reacts with oxygen and air. Okay? Forming MgO, or magnesium oxide. Okay? The magnesium oxide here called basic oxide. So why called this name? Because the acidic, the basic oxide can dissolve in water, forming alkali solution. Okay. So the meaning of basic oxide, they are metallic oxides. Some of them, okay, not all. Pay attention. Some of them dissolve in water, forming alkaline solution. Okay? So, here, MgO, magnesium oxide, okay, dissolve in water, forming magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide considered from alkaline solutions, which is turns litmus solution into blue, Okay, and here we will study the chemical activity series. Okay, the chemical activity series, they are metals are arranged in a descending order according to their chemical activity. Okay? And their numbers is 16. But in our lesson, okay, we will study only 8 elements. Okay? Okay, let's study these elements and their behavior with water. First, potassium and sodium. Both of them, they react instantly, okay? And hydrogen gas with water, okay? They react with water instantly, and hydrogen gas evolves, okay? Which burns with pop sound, okay? Calcium and magnesium, they react very slowly with cold water. Zinc and iron, they react with hot water at a high temperature only. Okay? Copper and silver, they don't react with water. They don't react with water. Okay? Okay, and now let's study the chemical properties of nonmetals. Chemical properties of nonmetals. Okay, the first one, okay, studying the reaction with dilute acids. Okay, the reaction of nonmetals with dilute acids. Okay, if you put a piece of coal and test tube containing hydrochloric acids, okay, you will notice that no reaction takes place. Okay? So we conclude that nonmetals such as carbon don't react with called carbon. In jar containing oxygen, so the carbon dioxide gas is reduced. Okay, if you dissolve CO2 gas in water, forms acidic solution that turns the color of violet litmus solution into red. Pay attention. So the carbon, okay, so the carbon here reacts with oxygen, heat, okay, forming carbon dioxide. Okay, if you added some water inside tube containing carbon dioxide, okay, the carbon dioxide dissolved in water, forming carbonic acid. Okay, which is H2CO3. Okay, CO2 here called acidic oxide. So why call this name? Because carbon dioxide is non-metallic oxide, because the carbon dioxide is non-metallic oxide. Okay, and it can dissolve in water, forming acidic solution. Okay, acidic solution. So the meaning of acidic oxides, they are non-metallic oxides which dissolve in water, forming acidic solutions. Okay. This is end of lesson 2. Thank you.